My dear student, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I give salam, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Just I going on the class. So today's class is the boys. I accepted the invitation. Just in my previous class, I will give you some instruction. After that, now I will start the class. I accepted the invitation. Invitation is the object. Invitation is the object. So, first of all, you have to find out the verb. I accepted the invitation. This is verb, accepted verb. This verb indicates the tense, that is called past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. So, according to the Boyle's rules, we have to make this active into passive. Object, subject. The invitation. The invitation, as it is the past indefinite tense, so I have to read was given. The invitation was accepted, past participle 100. Accepted by I subject turn into object by me. So I accepted the invitation. How can you make it passive? Object must be subject, the verb past participle, and by then object. The second example. First of all, you have to find out the verb. You have to find out the verb. Which word is the verb in this sentence has taken verb. It indicates present perfect tense. So according to the rules of present perfect tense of Boyle's, now, just we will mark the object. What is object? It is not object. You never find any object after preposition without verbal preposition. So, some step object. If you miss the object in this sentence, you cannot make passive voice from active. The government has taken some steps to improve their condition. So, object changed into subject. Some steps. Steps not a singular, it's plural number. So we have to write had. Some steps have been taken. To rest of the sentence must incite the object to improve their condition by the government subject change into object. the government. He did not misuse the wealth. Which word is the verb? This verb indicates it is a past definite tense. So we have to find out the object. So just after the verb is object. This wealth. Past definite was not, but past participle misused by him. His wealth was not missed by him. Next example, people hate a corrupt man. People hate. Which word is the verb? Which word is the verb? So now hate is the verb. It is the verb. Just after subject. An object just after verb. So this is object. This is object. A corrupt man. A corrupt man. Its hate present definite is hated. A corrupt man is hated by people. A corrupt man is hated by people. So just I have completed the voice. The next example, the examine should not waste time by doing it. Which word is the verb in this sentence? Which word is the verb in this sentence? That's waste is the verb. Should not waste. It indicates present definite tense. So object, time is the object. So according to the rules, now I am writing object is the past in the sentence. Time, first place the time should not be should not be wasted. Time should not be wasted. Time should not be wasted by doing it. By doing it. Again we have to write by the examine. Examine. The examine should not waste time by doing it. This is why sometimes you may be confused. Why we see the by here? By, every student know by is the indicates or implies the passive voice. So never confuse. You have to try to find out the verb. Verb is not a voice form, voice mode. So it's a normal mode. So you can easily understand this is active voice. So today the motto of my class, if you want to change active from active to passive, you have to always, for you remembering, I tell you again, just you have to, first of all, you have to find out the bhar. Bhar, 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 bhar. This is also bhar. Then you have to looking for the find out the object, 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 object. aircraft में object, time object, by doing is not, some steps object, to improve their condition is not. So just after bhar object, just after bhar object, just after bhar object, just after bhar object, just after bhar object. Then you turn the object into subject, time, aircraft man, this point, some steps, the invitation. Then according to the rules of voice, you have to solve this sentence. You have to solve easily from active to passive. So no more today's. Inshallah, next class I will meet you again.